We'll guide you through how to use the ChatGPT Google extension seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Chrome browser on your desktop. Head to the Chrome Web Store by typing Chrome Web Store in the search bar and hit enter. Once you're there, search for ChatGPT Google extension in the search box at the top left corner. You'll see a list of extensions. Click on the one that specifically mentions ChatGPT developed by verified developers. Next, click the Add to Chrome button on the right side of the extension description. A pop-up will appear prompting you to confirm. Click Add Extension to proceed. The extension will download and install automatically, and you'll see its icon appear in the top right corner of your browser near the address bar. Now, click on the ChatGPT extension icon to open it. If it's your first time using it, you might need to log in with your OpenAI account details. Enter your login credentials and hit login. Once logged in, you'll be able to access ChatGPT directly from your browser. You can start a conversation or input queries right from the extension interface. No need to open a separate tab or window for ChatGPT. It's that simple. This extension allows you to have quick access to AI assistance while browsing or working online, making it highly convenient for multitasking. Remember, if you ever want to disable or remove the extension, you can do so by right-clicking on the extension icon and selecting Remove from Chrome. That's it. You're all set to use ChatGPT with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.